Everywhere we are in Photoshop, so let's create a shape there. It's a shape I have taken, then go to the layer style and make some further changes. Create a stroke around it. We will take a stroke outside it. As you can see how it is, we will change the opacity, scale as well. Let's keep changing the designs here. I will use the gradient as well. Here we can change the gradient around it. I will make it done there. Inner glow as well. So there is an option for the inner glow. Make it a hard light. Noise as well. Opacity. Increase some size. So that's it.